Hello everyone and welcome to Psychology 302, Section 2, Advanced Research Methods Testing Hypotheses. My name is Dr. Roygardner and I will be your instructor for the course. This is a welcome video and tour of our course site. You will see that I will post weekly announcements with updates on our front page. You can also see our course banner here at the top. If you look along the left navigation pane, you will also see all the items you will need to click to navigate through our course site. First, we have our Getting Started link where you can see information about our first week and how to prepare for our course. Please read through our syllabus in entirety. Next, you will see the Announcements page link to bring us back. You will see our syllabus, where you can access the syllabus and contacts, the instructor information, where you will see my email address, a photo, and a brief bio. Important to note are our weekly assignments link, where you can see what we will work on each week, with some due dates and assignments posted. Also important is our discussions link on the left, which will bring you to our discussion boards, where you will post and reply to your peers. There are additional links with resources and reference materials about our final paper. I want to welcome you to our course, and I look forward to a great semester. Thank you, and see you in our course.